We are Group Info 3600 Project nour, and our project is to deliver Veggie Tracker mobile application. This is overview of client requirements, which is concluded as the following 10 points. We've completed all of them and is explained as details in following sections. This is overview of the whole project. We have all these user stories, and for each week, we deliver different releases. We choose Ionic to be the framework for our project. The reason is it has multi-platform support, which means you just need to develop your project once, and Ionic will pack your files into an application for different systems. In addition, it's written in JavaScript, which means it's easy to learn. Finally, you're able to edit your files in both Mac and PC. And this is the quality of work done. Let's take an example of our key user story. As a user, I want to be able to log my vegetable intake. This is the actual code we use for achieve these functions. We store user input for vegetable intake into Firebase and retrieve it when needed. In addition, we use test-driven development to develop our project. The tool we use for unit test is Jasmine and QUnit. How we do this is we'll write Jasmine code first and try to run it. Of course, at the very beginning, the test will always gonna fail. After that, we try to improve our code and try to pass the test. Finally, when all the tests are passed, our project is perfectly done. And here's the code example for testing the filter function on veggie intake page. And this is the result for unit test. In total, we have 35 unit tests with 0 failure. For those functions unable to write unit test, we use manual test to ensure all functions are correctly achieved. What after unit test is acceptance test. The tool for acceptance test we use is iMacro. We use acceptance test to ensure the features all work well, and in total we test 32 test cases. Here's an example of login function. And on left-hand side is the instruction for user login. User needs to input username and password, click login, and then he should be successfully logged in. And the right-hand side is actual iMacro code and the testing performance for login function. You can see that it is successfully achieved. Let's take a walkthrough of highlights. An example is log vegetable intake. In order to log vegetable intake, you need to click Veggie Intake button. Then you're redirected to this page. Input the vegetable you want to record, maybe butter, maybe bean butter. Then input serves. 5 serves, then select meal, dinner, click confirm. And you can see the veg choice is shown here. Then click confirm, OK, and your vegetable intake is correctly stored and shown here. Here's the roles and responsibilities for our group. In each week, we distributed different tasks with different members to ensure they're all successfully handled and all work are done. Finally, is our group interactions with client. Tools we use for communicating with client are email and Skype. In addition, client meetings are held for every 2 weeks to ensure client knows our most up-to-date progress, and we can receive suggestions from client to improve our product.